Dear UPSC, I badly need a break, but I can't afford it. There is so much to do. I'd feel guilty if I take a break right now. Do you feel the same? Then this video is for you. Friends, welcome to our short video series, Success Principles, which we have started to address a few common concerns of aspirants. Toxic is the word that comes to my mind to describe what we go through while studying and struggling in the same environment for hours, days, weeks, months, and years. Listen to me carefully and tell me if you agree. There is so much to read. We are always lagging behind, struggling to achieve our daily targets. The competition is fierce. The competitors are mean. The exam pattern keeps changing. Rumors keep floating. There's no one to guide, no one to understand what we go through. Family wants us to settle down. Social media feed is full of people traveling, romancing, marrying, having babies. Friends are getting packages in six figures, and the only package we expect is that of the new books which we have recently ordered online. We are stuck in our four walls waiting for some miracle to happen, for things to change. You know what you need? A break from this toxicity. You feel guilty to even think of relaxing. You are afraid you might lose this race. But tell me one thing. Are you actually winning right now? As a student of medicine, I believe in the healthy heart principle. Have you heard of it? You know that the heart keeps working efficiently, incessantly throughout our lifetime. How does it manage to do that without getting tired? Friends, the heart is not a single block, it's divided in parts. When one part works, the other part relaxes. Thus, the heart relaxes adequately, and when it works with full effort. Else, it would fail. And we fail too in our exams when we fail to relax. So, apply the healthy heart principle to your study and relax adequately in order to function with full efficiency. Let me tell you my permissible limits, the minimum no study period required to perform better in this exam. If you are planning to study 12 hours a day, the total break time should at least be 3 hours, which means that at least 25% of your total study time should be dedicated to breaks, which you may take at short intervals or at once. And what do you do during this time? You may pursue your hobby, listen to music, watch movies or series, or just go for a walk or go to the gym, talk to your close ones, spend time on social media selectively, or take a nap. But don't think about studies during this time. In a 15-day period, you should at least take 1 to 2 days off. Complete no study days. Review and see if you are on track, plan what you are going to do in the next study phase, and do whatever helps you to rejuvenate. And after every 2 months, once you have completed a section, a subject maybe, you deserve a 5 to 7 day break. During this break, please leave your room, your black hole, and travel. Go to your hometown, meet your family and friends. Travel to some calm place close to nature where you could forget about this mad rush and come back re energized, ready for the next lap. Friends, remember that this is a marathon. Don't get exhausted so early. Plan, work smart for a predetermined period, and then earn your break. When you think you're feeling low or the study is getting slow, it's time for a small change. You might think saving this time would help you take a lead in this competition, but you will ultimately get exhausted before the actual competition begins. And do toppers take such breaks? Of course they do, at least the ones I know. I took breaks and I got back stronger each time. If you feel too guilty, carry a lighter subject and travel, but do travel, at least every 6 months. फ्रेंड्स स्मार्ट वर्क करना है, मर मर के प्रिपेयर नहीं करना, ऐसे यूपीएससी नहीं निकलने वाला. एंजॉय द प्रोसेस एंड प्लीज टेक अ गिल्ट फ्री ब्रेक. ट्रस्ट मी, यू वोंट रिग्रेट इट. फ्री एडवाइस है दोस्तों, आपका नुकसान करने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. इट वर्क फॉर मी, इट वर्क फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, एंड आई थिंक इट विल वर्क फॉर यू एज वेल. इफ यू एग्री, please do let me know in the comments. Join me to know more about UPSC preparation and the Indian Foreign Service. Thank you. Jai Hind.